Hi, my name is Lee Lazarow, and I'm the director of the IBM Planning Analytics practice at Revelwood. Today I'm going to show you how to add color to your multidimensional paw charts. So I'm going to start with an exploration. And the goal of what I want to do is I want to convert an exploration into a chart. And the way I can do that is I simply change the visualization by clicking on exploration. I'm going to choose a different visualization. For this example, I'm just going to choose columns. So I change it to columns and my data changes to a column chart. Pretty straightforward. So I'm going to go back to an exploration, but this time I'm going to manipulate it a little bit. Instead of just looking at my companies, I want to look at my companies and my departments, and I want to stack them. So I'm going to drag my departments down. I'm going to bring it into the row area, and I've now set it up where there's multiple dimensions. Now what I have the ability to do is the exact same thing as before. I'm going to change my exploration. I'm going to make it into the same column, and I see all my data. Okay? But in this particular case, the data is a little bit hard to read because I'm noticing two things. Thing number one is I notice that it merged the two dimensions together as I'm looking at the labels. But the second thing, more importantly, is all of my colors are the same. It's very hard to read. So the way I can manipulate this is I could do it within my fields area. By clicking on the icon up in the top right corner, we could see that both of my dimensions were brought into what is called a bar. I could change the color by dragging one of the dimensions out of the bar area into the color area. So I'm going to drag department down to color, and when I let go, what it's going to do is it's going to recreate the same exact chart, but it's going to make two changes. The first change that it's going to make is it's going to update my titles. So instead of looking at corporate merged with a department, rock merged with a department, it's going to separate my companies as the titles, and it's going to bring headers up to the top with the department. And the second thing it's going to do, more importantly, is it's going to add some color. Now, in this particular example, it's still a little bit hard to read because I'm looking at the titles. So as I navigate through the fields, I also have the ability to edit some of my settings where I could simply hide the totals. And by turning off the fields, I've now made a chart that's much easier to read. Thanks for watching my video. I hope it helped you learn more about planning analytics. Please visit our website at revelwood.com to learn more about us and how we can help you enhance your modeling experience.